Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get free Robux. So first you go here and then you just type claim RBX. After you press on this one. And then you will go in and you just enter on with your Roblox username. So this is me. It's Bea Biwi. So first you just go here. You go here and you can see you can watch this to claim the ones, but I already did it, so I can tap on them. Here's my profile. Go to your account. I have 101.75. Enable that. So yeah. So this is what you need to do. You just look at this. So here's the second way how to get free Robux. You download this app, Stack Havoc. You just go to Play Store. Well, I promise you guys it works because that's how I got the Robux using this app. And that one, claim RBX. So first you just type Robux. Then you can see this, Stack Havoc. Or this, lol. So yeah, or this. So that's it. You just download it and then you go to the spin wheel and stuff.